Hello guys, it's just me today, and I'm gonna treat some patients, and Jesse is an anomaly, so he's dead. The video will be sped up, as always when the short is too long. Oops, I think I got too much DNA.
Oh, yeah.
Haha, no coffee for you.
You're pointing at the trash, so okay. Don't worry about that. Get some eye drops and you'll be fine. Show me that sussy suitcase of yours, and I'll let you in. Not again.
It will end like this, noob. And don't escape through. My poop producer again, noob.